How to activate Milestone Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your Milestone Credit Card. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to the official Milestone Credit Card website. Once you're here, you want to click on the My Account option. Here, you want to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, click on the Login option. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link to retrieve it. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option to activate your card. It's going to say Activate Card. Once you click on this option, you want to follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required information, which includes your card number, security code, and possibly some personal identification details. After submitting the activation form, you should receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. This is displayed on the screen or sent to you in your registered email address. Another way to activate your Milestone credit card is to call the customer service. The customer service number is available in the Milestone website itself. The customer service representative will be able to help you to activate your Milestone card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.